In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a Kanban table in Notion. We'll start from a blank canvas and end with a clean, customizable workflow you can rely on. Think of this page as the home for your Kanban board and everything that goes with it. Give the page a clear descriptive title so you can find it easily later and understand its purpose at a glance. Inside the page, type the /, then type board. From the options that appear, choose Board View. This is Notion's Kanban style layout. Perfect for visualizing work as it moves from one stage to another. If you ever forget the exact command, the / menu is your friend. Just start typing and Notion will surface the right block. Next, select the option to create a new database. This ensures you are working with a fresh, empty board that you can shape to your own process, rather than pulling in data from somewhere else. It's the best way to keep your board focused and uncluttered. Now, let's make the columns behave the way you want. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the board, choose Group By and make sure it's set to Status. Grouping by status tells Notion to organize your columns around a status property. So each column represents a stage in your workflow. If your board looks off, double-check this setting, it's the key to that classic Kanban flow. With grouping set, rename the default groups to match how you actually work. You'll typically see something like No Status, To Do, In Progress, and Done. Rename these to language your team understands, maybe Backlog. Ready, Doing, Review, and Complete. Clear names reduce confusion and help everyone know exactly where an item belongs. If you want to fine-tune the flow, you can drag column headers to reorder them, so the progression makes sense from left to right. Finally, open any card and click Add Property to capture the details that make your board actionable. Common picks include assignee using the People property, priority with select or multi-select, and due dates with the date property. Keep property names concise and consistent, and choose property types that match the data you need. These fields turn simple cards into rich, trackable tasks, and they make your board more useful as your workload grows. That's it, your Kanban table is ready. Keep refining names and properties as your process evolves, and your board will stay clear and dependable. Thanks for watching.